If you've ever had a corner in your shop or garage that looked like this, and who hasn't had a corner in their shop like this, then stay tuned because I have a cool idea for a weekend project that'll put all of that space robbing material up and out of the way. So what I wanted to create was a modular hook system that was a simple build, would be sturdy but adjustable for different lengths of material. So what I came up with was an arch piece. This is upside down, which gives the bracket a little extra strength. This has a joint that hooks into a plate here. And then you've got these two pieces here, which will go on either side on the back, on either side of that spline that comes down. Then I added a small standoff that's going to run across the bottom here. And what that's going to do is keep the hook from leaning out too far with weight on it. It's going to be mounted on a French cleat here. These are going to be mounted on a French cleat, so that small standoff here at the bottom will rest below the cleat and against the wall. So after setting up my toolpaths in V-carve, I fired up the CNC. If you're curious, I run the OG Alt Mill 4x4 by CNC Labs, and I really like this machine. I'm running a 1/4 inch compression bit here from SharPro on 3/4 inch birch plywood. Even though it's just a rack on my shop wall, I wanted to avoid tear out on the plywood veneer as much as possible, and the compression bit does just that. After cutting 3 hook sets, I assembled them with glue and 1 1/4 crown staples. Here you can see the back pieces on either side of that spline. After sanding all the edges, they were ready to hang. I use cleats for other items in my shop, so having them pre-hung, I went ahead and placed the 3 hooks wide enough for full 8-foot trim, all that electrical conduit, as well as some shorter dowel rod and other trim drop pieces I had just laying around. Next, I took all of that corner clutter and put it up in the rack. I was really surprised at how much material these hooks held. I mean, I put way more stuff up there than what I had planned on, and probably could have added more. This was a pretty simple weekend project, from planning to hanging. And when it was all said and done, I could even get back to my ladder. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate you hitting that like button or leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. If you're interested in the plans for these hooks, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll post a link to them after getting to like 100 subscribers or something. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.